Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. Hey everyone, are you smarter than a 10-year-old? It's time to test your brain with this fun and easy quiz challenge. Answer the questions before the timer ends and see how smart you really are. Let's begin. How many days are there in 1 week? Yes, it's 7. What color do you get when you mix red and white? Do you know the answer? Correct, it's pink. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Yup, it's Jupiter. How many legs does a spider have? Got any ideas? Yes, it's 8. What do bees make? You can do it. Great job, it's honey. What is 5 plus 5? Write your answer in comments. Correct again, it's 10. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Do you have a guess? Well done, it's lion. What do you use to write on a blackboard? Can you guess the right answer? Well done, it's chalk. How many letters are in the English alphabet? Great job, it's 26. Which season comes after summer? Not easy. Correct again, it's autumn. Which shape has 3 sides? Think carefully before answering. Yes, it's triangle. What is the opposite of hot? Write your answer in comments. Correct, it's cold. What do plants need to make food? Do you know the answer? Yup, it's sunlight. What is the capital of France? Correct again, it's Paris. How many hours are in 1 day? Got any ideas? Correct again, it's 24. Which fruit is yellow and curved? You can do it. Well done, it's banana. What do you call a baby dog? Correct, it's puppy. What gives us light during the day? Do you have a guess? Yup, it's sun. How many fingers do humans have on both hands? Can you guess the right answer? Correct again, it's 10. What is water called when it freezes? Not easy. Correct again, it's ice. Which animal says meow? Think carefully before answering. Yes, it's cat. What is 10 minus 3? Do you know the answer? Correct, it's 7. What do you wear on your feet? Got any ideas? Yup, it's shoes. Which month comes first in the year? You can do it. Great job, it's January. What do you use to tell time? Do you have a guess? Correct again, it's clock. How did you do? Comment your score below, like the video, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.